Gevrey-Chambertin is a village in the Côte de Nuits area just north of Chambolle-Musigny in Burgundy, France, famous for producing praised Pinot Noir red wines. Gevrey-Chambertin gives birth to some of the world's most prestigious and expensive red wines, in fact. The village was originally called simply Gevrey, but in 1847 its name was changed to Gevrey-Chambertin to include the name of the village's most prestigious vineyard site, Chambertin. Like it was done for 11 Côte d'Or villages such as Puligny and Chassagne Montrachet, Chambolle-Musigny or Vosne-Romanée. Within the famous Chambertin Grand Cru site lies in fact 9 distinct Grand Cru vineyard sites, the most prestigious of which being Le Chambertin. The other 8 Grand Cru Gevrey-Chambertin are Chambertin Clos-de-Bèze, Chapelle-Chambertin, Charmes-Chambertin, Griotte-Chambertin, Latricières-Chambertin, Mazis-Chambertin, Mazoyères-Chambertin, and finally Ruchottes-Chambertin. Gevrey-Chambertin also counts with 26 different Premier Cru climas, the most famous of which are Clos Saint-Jacques and Les Cazotiers. Gevrey-Chambertin makes about 2 million bottles of wine per vintage from 435 hectares or a little over 1,000 acres. Some of the most respected names and producers in Gevrey-Chambertin wines include Domaine Armand Rousseau, Domaine Leroy, Domaine Fourier, Domaine Févelet, Louis Jadot, Prieuré Roche, and Domaine Trappé, Père et Fils. These were the top facts that you should know about Gevrey-Chambertin wine. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.